Welcome to morning Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, get as tall as you can, and then soften slightly so that you're alert but relaxed. Soften the shoulders and neck, the waist, soften the hips and the knees. And then begin to turn from your waist and your hips, making two loose fists, letting the fists knock against your lower abdomen and your lower back. We call this knocking on the door of life. The door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back. When we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy throughout the body. And this movement also helps to lubricate the joints of the spine. And it teaches us how to relax the shoulders and neck. So imagine that your arms are empty coat sleeves. Your torso guides the movement. All right, one more time, and then begin to slow it back down. Coming back down to center, and then just taking a moment to feel the sensations. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. This time the arms float up in front to about shoulder height, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. One more time, opening the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. Then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, always easing in, never forcing it. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center. Then the arms open up wide, the hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other, they float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders and the neck, soften the face and the eyes, using only what you need. Like a moving meditation, we'll drift across a few more times, moving like nature with effortless ease. One more time, wave hands like clouds. This time the bottom hand comes up into a hook right in front of the heart. The other hand scoops under as you drift across, and then switch. The other hand makes a hook, scoop under, the firefly in the lantern. Soften the shoulders, let the elbows sink. You can imagine this firefly shining light in all directions, sending out healing and vitality to all beings, including yourself. One more time, the firefly in the lantern. And then both hands float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down and tosses away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then pushes forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in. The hand moves forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, repulse monkey. This time both hands drift over to the side and down. Then they brush out to the corner, circling all the way around and then out to the other corner, making a figure 8 right in front of the body. Polishing the table, as if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. Gentle rotation, shifting the weight side to side. One more time, polishing the table. Then the arms float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then the top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up just like you were. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time the bottom hand scoops under, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around, and then back up top, crossing the wrists. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes away just for now. Step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up just like you were. The other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around, and then back up top to the mountain peak. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften down. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, the top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee, and push. And once again, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up. The hands draw in as you circle out and around. The backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Draw the hands back in again. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time, Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, softening down. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush knee and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. It's more about how it feels than how it looks. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs, almost like you're moving through the water, feeling the sensations. One more time, gather your cubs, bring them on home. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. Palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, going all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze and let your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down, taking a moment to just notice how you feel. And then you can continue to stand, or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called A Place to Play. Standing still, I feel the breeze. I begin to move and soften the knees. The grace pours in as I let go of what I want and all that I know. Hardness tries to take its hold. It turns the mind and body cold. I feel my feet connected below. I lift my head and feel the flow. Softness now begins to warm as mindful movement takes its form. A dance between the night and day, a coming home, a place to play. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.